You know, you hear now and then at university students say, undergraduates, they say, well, I just write what the professor wants to hear, and then I get a good grade. It's like, first of all, most professors aren't that corrupt. There are corrupt professors, but most of them are not that corrupt. You have to be pretty damn corrupt before you go that far, before a student will hand you something that's well crafted and well thought through, and you'll actually punish them for it. You've gone way off the malevolent end of the academic spectrum when you do that. Now, you know, maybe you're a bit biased and you'll give them a B+ instead of an A, and it's not like that's particularly forgivable, but it's not a catastrophe. So I think it's a bit cynical on the part of the undergraduates, usually. But more importantly, it's like, what are you going to do? You're going to do your whole 4-year degree, and all you're going to do is write what you think your professors want to hear, and you think you're going to come out educated? You think you're going to come out the person you were when you went in? It's like, no, you're not, because you've rewritten a different self, and you've practiced deceit with regards to your highest moral faculty, right? Your capacity for articulated speech. You've practiced that for 4 years. And so then definitely when you come out, you're way worse than you were when you went in. And that's not education. That's the antithesis of education. Better not to be there. Better to lay bricks, right? And I have nothing, by the way, against bricklayers. Way to be bricklayers, as far as I'm concerned. But at least they can lay a straight brick wall and it will stand up, and there's something honest and solid about that. Much better that than to go and produce written material that your soul isn't in. That's what the damn education system is for, insofar as it's not, you know, there to train you professionally. It's to develop you psychologically and spiritually, and to turn you into a citizen, you know, into a competent human being. You compromise that because of expediency, an excuse usually. It's a very bad idea. I would highly recommend against never doing it. And I would say the same thing at work, whenever. It's very psychologically dangerous to say things you know not to be true. So, and in part it is because it warps that instinct